Take this reincarnation, it's no prize. I'm exposed, and it's no big surprise. Don't you think I know that I should be dead? This world is forcing me to spin these webs, 'cause I'm just a spider, oh huge arachnid. Well, don't let me out of your sight. Oh, I'm just a spider, an 8-legged freak, so don't let me get in any fights. I had it up to here. The monsters I tried to spy, so many reasons for me to run and hide. Can't do those little things without 4 brains. It's all those little things that bring me pain. 'Cause I'm just a spider, I'd rather not be, 'cause they won't let me level to evolve. Oh, I'm just a spider, guess there's puzzles to solve, 'cause all I do is sit and stare with many eyes. Oh, I'm just a spider, take a good look at me. This is not your typical isekai. Oh, I've had it up to here. I'm making myself clear. I'm just a spider. I'm just a spider in this new world. That's all you'll let me be. I'm just a spider living in captivity. This magic system makes me worrisome. Oh, I'm just a spider. What's my destiny? Even the humans burn my home for fun. Oh, I'm just a spider. Make no apologies. I've become is so burdensome. Oh, I'm just a spider. Lucky me. With Arabelle, there's no comparison. I've had it up to. Oh, I've had it up to.